for in some lady, Debia Dane, some for forever, so your person. Debia Mega sure say, Debia Dane, some for forever, so your person, and pam. Na in paying for grand bosses, I did chinny and tear some for Frania, as some pa Emma or Margana, and into no addichimbian and some for forever, so your person. Eye alotejo cup, ye name, alotejo cup, no ye ni cinema pants. Alotejo cup, NHS will copy a huge medibi assay. Na okopie mu home no nsem a ode tudwa na abusuafo ampa nsem no eye nokre mu ano na eyiye nyina papa lotiju kopo ode tudwa na nsem a ode tudwa nyina ne se ni nyina gire ye free SHS ho nsensem NHS lotiju kopo beka se eye president na Dubai no wa ye bi pa MPP aban no bai no wa ye bi na free education bai no aboa eye bi mu ye pa ham ono ankasa edi n'ani hwem otena ase adwen ho pa na times no hu ade eye Ghana fo bi mo na eye Ghana fo bi mo eche so mo ka se free education ene former president mama mo ka se free education fa so bi eni so ni ade no enye bia no free education ba ye no o ma Ghana ye hu mo difference e wo free SHS mo na those time ye awofo bi mo die mi kakoyi o mo ntoma o mo ton a omode omoma eko school na ene sa anoma na ehu biem ene sa anoma na yati biem aletujo kopo no de wedwa ye pam a chesen sama ode tudwa no ebusiafo enya asam ketwa osi Ghana for munye steady muntwa steady obi ahu entna se onhwe enwama pa ya aban no eye ewo man mu eni na ye tablet ya na nado aba ba chiche say one student one tablet nya die any propaganda ni NDC for ni omo yeje ene papa ye just we sane egu NDC ni Ghana for so e just enya asam ketwa nsam ne de aye bebre de bia da baka show say aha eye Kintu TV sa asam ne se tin say aye mpese be we still tam ana say be se won me eno say be so ni dem no aka ho ni ni akwaje nsam no ntwirem ni wi a asan so aba ebedi ho nkomo some bebre ene yakoso Ghana mo odofa kame ho na menu nyane yankwaje nsam no ntwirem ni wi a asan so aba ebedi ho nkomo me de ho ase
kame obi ni ba oko free SHS owi a wakosua trunk the free SHS or 419 say you kame wala wo ba ane nhoma woko free SHS politician be je ono condemn free SHS na ejitu wala supo nyipa so a etibo hwo ba as a free SHS onyiwa ebotumi ze tu awo ba ni fizo na enya aban bi abama wo ye free SHS amawo mawuba efi esuru ho wa be school won fansipem ofisuru ho wa be school wo adisade ofisuru ho wa be school wo St. Augustine's anje nkanun onye ne dam no wa ga fa adi gono mattress in a chop box in a trunk no asua wa cooperate free SHS or your 419 nti ibi so won there what are we in Yalankasa as Ghanaians I mean that's all Kwame I mean from far in you obi wo ho wo campaign ohu sikalum nenyim or free from cream nenyim nya ro wo bobo show mpene bie na anyi the next time na tell na ye ko rally ya mu gbofo mi na wala what been ocha that do you value your life there you don't care fighting for somebody to be somebody and leaving you in abject poverty Kwame mjisi there free SHS nangasa will change our mentality let me free SHS it will change our mentality Mr. Move for drugs war there some time ago na ye richer laptop. Honestly, we are not corrupting the people to come and vote for us. But then, in the watch the same laptop, the wisdom in it, with modern age, with IT technology and then digitalization. The means you a laptop because obodu maybe our textbooks in one print view. Ni nya bogu laptop do. What's it there? Yeah, or bribing kofuma.
Okay, let me move on.
Yes, Nana.
Yes, Share President Mahama. Attack
The policy.
The policy, one student, one tablet policy. Kwame. Oshe build up to 2020 elections. President Mahama was thwarting his achievements in Ashanti region. And the Okaini Nane when President Mahama stood before Otumfuo, not all thwarting achievement when Otumfuo asked him to tell Ghanaians what he has done in Ashanti region. In Kumasi, Kwame. The Okaini Naya adia na physical project no kre. So kwase okase we ya okwa ampa na isi ho. De be kwa chase. Now let me tell you. Ebene Aswase market.
Yeah.
Ebene Atonsu market. Ebene Sewua hospital. Yes, start here. Formina hospital. Afari military hospital. Bekwai hospital. You understand? KJTIA phase 1 and 2 phase 1 projects. Central Market Phase 1 project and the Kumasi International Airport, Prempeh the First International Airport, Phase 1. They are facts. And your fact is that President Mahama started all these things. And some of them he completed. A beautiful edifice. Ukwatonsu market. Beautiful because beautiful. But let me tell you something. Yet he lost Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Jamaica, what I say? Uko hoa. For the first time, ho Principal Street. Omunya a line up of street lights. A boom for about 300. For the first time, President Kufuor gave it to them in 2003. When people were having their protocol street and be decorated as a security. Shine ho in the way back in 1990. Who had them theirs in 2003? President Kufuor did it for them. The Keta Sea Defense War. President Kufuor did it. There was a fund that came in 1998. And they said, come here. They did not do it. And President Kufuor came to secure a loan and a fund to do that. Jamaica, what I say? Osha baby to say a whole polytechnic. President Kufuor built a whole polytechnic for them. That was the 2003, built up to 2004 election. But what President Kufuor was expecting to get from 2004 and of course 2008 election, they couldn't.
And transition into vote.
Yes, Kwame. Election. When people make their mind say, we will vote against you, we will make you a president. Kwame, nothing can change it. I'm telling you, nothing can change it. I'm expecting the NDCs to focus. You keep attacking Free Senior High School, Kwame, and Juma. There's no amount of attacking the Free Senior High School. Those who have benefited from Free Senior High School, Kwame, there's no amount of West propaganda, agenda, spin schemes that will sway their mind from said they have benefited from the Free Senior High School.
When you're benefiting.
Yes, Kwame. Listen to me. Me, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, is yet to come out with a clear-cut policy as far as the 2024 election is concerned. The policies that he came out on one policy, the vision, that was the vision. So the policy will be drawn from the vision. He's yet to come out with a mind-blowing vision, a policy as far as the this election is concerned, for me, if you ask me, one, because President Kufuor brought Metro Mass Transit as a social intervention program. He brought free maternal care. I'm telling you, say, with the best 6,000 to 10,000. I'm telling you, because baby aneke kakono. As of that time, 2018, almost passes our law, our policy. That time, now Kowuna could take 2,000. I want me. If you judge and I say, okay, your calculation is in there. I can now could be 1,000 and 10,000. You understand? The president Kufuor brought free maternal care, free senior high, national health insurance scheme, school feeding program, capitation grant. You understand? Now to thank Kufuor, I'm a one district, one factory, but I'm a free senior high school. But Dr. Baumia is yet to give us a mind-blowing policy, just like the mentioned machine. And President Mahama sat down. We realized that look, the NDC party, they are being accused, vilified. Say they are yet to come out with a social intervention program. I bet me blow Ghanaians' mind. That has been the albatross on their neck since. And President Mahama has come out with something called 24-hour economy. Menenwa, I will fight and fight and fight to make the 24-hour economy to be the center